In the realm of healthcare, the waste generated in hospitals, clinics, and laboratories is considered to be the most hazardous and infectious. If not disposed of properly, it can cause serious health hazards to healthcare workers as well as patients. It requires specialized expertise to design and manufacture bags for disposal of this waste. That's where we come in. Introducing Vinayak Polypack, a leading supplier of biomedical waste collection bags. With over 20 years of experience, we are the preferred choice for healthcare facilities and common biomedical waste treatment facilities across more than 19 states of India. To meet the surging demand for biomedical waste management solutions, we have invested in a facility that complies with the stringent requirements and stipulated norms by Pollution Control Board for the healthcare industry. Our advanced machines enable streamlined production of high-quality bags while ensuring a consistent supply. We manufacture a wide range of bags like non-chlorinated bags, nursery forest bags, and garbage bags. These bags come in a variety of colors and sizes to fit everyone's needs. At Vinayak Polypack, quality is of utmost importance. We implement comprehensive quality control processes at every stage of manufacturing. Each bag is extensively tested for leaks and strength. This meticulous approach guarantees that our bags not only meet industry requirements, but also surpass them. All of this is possible because of our committed and experienced team. Our promoters are industry veterans with a deep understanding of healthcare ecosystem. Together with our experienced team of production and quality control specialists, skilled and semi-skilled staff, we uphold the highest standards of quality and innovation. Owing to this commitment to quality, we are today recognized as a trusted and largest manufacturer of biomedical waste collection bags in Gujarat. Our list of ever-growing clients in both government and private sector is a testament to our adherence to industry's best practices along with our commitment to customer satisfaction. But all of this circles back to our purpose of making a difference by providing sustainable solutions for a better future. Together, let us create a safer and cleaner environment for all. Vinayak Polypack, leading the way in biomedical waste collection bags.